Hello, I am back, and this time I'm thinking, oh well, I've been playing Roblox so much that, well, why don't I just, play Animal Jam? So now I'm gonna play Animal Jam. So let's see. Oh gosh. Ugh. Oh well, I'm gonna get in here. Woohoo! Party time! Woohoo! I'm busting some moves. Okay, I think I want to stop now. Like, I seriously want to stop. Okay. Sleep. Sleep. I wanna sleep. Sleep. A good buddy is always there. No, that just sounded really weird. I don't know why I said that. That sounded really weird. What? Cool. Whoa! Awesome! Whoa, this is epic! Ooh, where are we going now? Yeesh, this is devastating. Ooh, let's hope the next is better. Yay! So many people! Yes! Woohoo! So many people, so many people, so many people. You know what? I'm gonna change my look. Again. My eyes will be... they're gonna be black. And then my pattern is gonna be... I like this pattern. Let's see. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, so, let's see something. I think I like this one. I think I'm satisfied. Yahoo! This looks much better. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go home. Okay, I'm gonna go settle in while you just wait here. Got it? Okay, so, oh my gosh. Okay. So guys, don't mind if some stuff pop up on my screen, like over here or whatever. It's just because I'm texting somebody. Got it? So, I want to change my name. What do I have to... settings. Okay, what is this? Weird. Okay. I have no idea what she just texted to me. Oh, she texted. Okay. Not for you. Not for you. Oops. Okay. Ah! So I am called Ocean Arctic Fox. I am having fun. I am having fun. I am having fun. Okay, I need a bed, to be honest. I need a bed. I need a bed. I need a bed. It doesn't change. I always need a bed. I need a bed. And it doesn't. Let me get a bed. It has no respect. Seriously. Okay. So forget about the bed thing. Let's go Crystal Saints. Wait, what? Cool. Seriously. God. I don't want to listen to that person. Okay, I saw something about pets. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I guess I'm going to... Wait, what? So yeah, I guess I'm just going to, walk around, be on the beach, It's actually hard being a bunny. It's like really hard to be a bunny. Okay, that doesn't make sense. But if you listen to it, yeah, it is really hard to be a bunny. Oops, ow, each, okay, I should stop right now. Isn't this fun? Wee! Gosh. Okay, so where do I get my pets? That's my question. Where do I get my pets? My pets. Where do I get my pets? Well, I want to see like I... Okay, better. Okay, better. Now I don't have to hear that annoying music. Ah! Ants! and now I'm walking on ants. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Look at me, I'm all dirty. Now I have to wash myself. Where's some water? I need some water. Oh my gosh, I have to... Here, let's go here. Crystal Islands or whatever. Yes! Okay, now let's explore over there. Without getting in there. To be honest, I want a pet. It's just not letting me, sadly. Choose a pet. Yes. Okay. My pet ducky has very good eyes. Okay, I get it now. So let's see. I like this. I'll do this one, and then the beak will be that. No. That. No. That. No. That. No. Maybe I'll do this one. And then what is this? Feet. That. No. That. No. That. My wings are like, my head is like that. Okay. Let's see. Next. What about what about this? Glamour. Oh well. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!